Today, we're faced with an assault of an epic proportion. Not only are we firmly in the sixth great extinction, we're losing plants and animals and organisms at a rate of at least 1,000 times faster than any normality, maybe as high as 10,000 times for some species. And if that wasn't frightening enough, and believe me, it affects all life on the planet, the biodiversity, the biological diversity, we're also under assault with burning these climate-altering, subsidized fossil fuels. We are currently belching carbon dioxide into the atmosphere 10 times faster than the previous 66 million years. We talk of the parts per million, but what we should be talking about are the equivalent CO2 parts per million, which put us, according to the AR5, at over 492 parts per million right now, which has committed our planet to 2.25 C, and that is very, very serious. The heat on our planet that has been infused from burning these fossil fuels is a crisis, and it's accelerating at an epic rate. It doesn't really matter what your business is. When a business person or a scientist or a teacher or anyone, when we notice patterns, and when the patterns, the dots, the patterns are coalescing, it's showing us a message. And the message is, Peter, we have one home, and we are all one. And unless we come together to take care of our home, a couple hundred people might get a one-way ride to Mars, and the human race, along with over 1.1 billion years of reproductive life, goes down the tube. I urge people, I urge everyone to try one night a week and then amp it up to 3 nights a week, and before you know it, it's a done deal. Switch your animal diet to a plant-based diet. Because, Peter, here's what we know. Animal agriculture contributes over 18% of these climate-altering, heat-trapping greenhouse gases, and that's more than transportation, the entire industry globally. So if we work on our diet and we we exchange our fossil fuel muck for the renewable with a great rate of return, and your diet, you switch your diet. The other thing that happens with switching the diet is something very interesting. Each of us contain a compassionate gene. When you switch to your plant-based diet, your compassionate gene spikes, and you begin to care more, not just for yourself or your family or your lady or your man or whomever, but you care about more for our planet.